How to unlock all cookie jar scenes in Summertime Saga. Once you're on the main screen, open the cookie jar and you'll see that all the scenes inside are locked and you can't play any of them right now. So what you need to do is go back and start a new game. Then you'll see three options: Clean Game, Cheats Enabled, and New Content. Out of these, select Cheats Enabled. As soon as you select it, the game will start and a cutscene will begin. Just skip all the cutscenes. Once you're inside the actual game where you can move and play, look at the top right corner and tap on the mobile phone icon. Now at the top, you'll see a Wi-Fi symbol. Tap on it. A warning box will appear along with your keyboard. Here you just need to type, "I understand." And after typing that, the OK button will unlock. Tap on OK and all the cheat options will appear. Now your main focus is the cookie jar, so you'll see an option called Unlock Cookie Jar Scenes. Tap on it. After that, go back to the main menu. It may show a message about losing unsaved progress. Just tap Yes. Now when you open the cookie jar, you'll see that all scenes are unlocked and you can play any scene you want.